I'm super excited because we are opening this one right here. So I did mention in one of my past videos that we are looking to order a new camera that will be, you know, bloggable. So it came through the post, and we haven't opened it yet. And yeah, we just basically open it. Elijah woke up. He's gone back to bed. He's having his first nap for the day, and Gideon and Oliver got to school. Gideon got his presents, like I mentioned in my past vlog, that you know we couldn't wait to give him his birthday gift, even though his birthday is not yet until April. So it's all set up for him, and he's super excited. It's all set up for him now, and he's been doing his thing on it and playing. It can play about I think about 4 songs now. You can play Mary Has a Little Lamb. Let's see what else. Twinkle Star and Old MacDonald's and Row 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 Your Boat. It's getting. It needs to still perfect his Row 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 Your Boat, but it's really cute when he's playing it. I'll probably make a video one day to show you guys when he's playing it. Okay, let's open this camera. We've got 2 boxes. So this is the camera. Okay, I can't wait to open this. And when I ordered the camera, I also ordered 2 extra batteries because the camera we're using right now is has only got one camera, one battery. So sometimes it's really hard. Sometimes when we're out and about and we take our camera along with us. So once the battery goes, that's it. We don't have any backup battery. So I just thought, you know, this time, you know, let's learn from the past. Let's learn from experience. So I decided to buy 2 extra batteries. Okay, same day that I ordered the camera. But obviously, you know, we have to open the camera first, don't we? Again, so it was like this. And open it. So we've got, of course, we've got charger. We've got this. That's very good, isn't it? It will be handy. Definitely handy. That's the charger attachment. That's the cable. And so that's the battery it comes with anyway. And this is the man of the match. It's quite heavy, but it's not too bad, you know, compared to this DSL. This is it. I'm quite impressed. Like, it's really small. It's very small. It's smaller than the palm of my hand. That's the screen. I mean, the first thing to do here is to check the flip screen, isn't it? Because that's the main reason why we chose this one. So let's see. So it does that, which is cool. And there we go. So this is the camera.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Only downside, because you know, obviously before you buy something, you have to check a lot of review on the camera. The only downside to this camera that I saw is that, you know, this part where you attach your tripod stand, either when you're holding or the one that stands on that stays on the floor. Someone did mention that screw was made with plastic, so it can wear out easily. But then, you know, it depends on how, because sometimes when you screw something and it gets too tight, if it's a plastic screw, then it will definitely get weared out easily or quickly. So that's the only downside. It doesn't look like plastic, but then you wouldn't know, isn't it? Okay. So it's got this grip part as well that I really like. So this goes for $270 at Argos. Well, you know, we saved some quid there. We saved about £30. So this was, we bought this $240 on Amazon. Yay! Let's open the batteries. This is what we have. The cable looks like quite chunky, like very big. I think. I feel like they're really big. Oh, it's got a car charger attachment, which is really good. I know that definitely will come in handy. Definitely. And I would imagine that this is the attachment. So you can only charge one at a time. You can't charge 2 batteries at a time. I thought it would be able to... Ooh, what have I done? Have I broken it? It's not broken. And those are the extra batteries. I don't know why they have to do packaging so tight sometimes. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay. Oh, it's well packed. I don't know what for, but okay, so there we go. And then you can charge it with this. I've bought things from Amazon before, loads of things from Amazon, but I used to be a proper eBay person. But then eBay just went down the drain for me. They're not trustworthy anymore. When you buy things online on eBay, you know, and the way they do their pictures as well, they magnify their pictures so nicely that you would just have that imagination in your head, and you think, you know, when they bring these things through the post, it will be, you know, just the exact image that you have in your head. But by the time you bring this thing, it would probably, you know, be like like a cup of tea or something like that. And another thing is, you can't really trust eBay, and I think it's because of the way the way people review the products they buy. Like, unlike Amazon, where you review the actual products that you buy, eBay makes you only just give the person selling the product a comment, so you don't get to comment about the product you're buying. So that really confuses people, because people have got like 100% rating, and then you buy something from them and it comes to the post and you're super disappointed, and it's basically because that particular product you buy haven't got a review, you know, by itself, and that is very confusing. So, you know, I think I'm quite pleased with this. Another downside, it's not very much of a downside, but it's something that someone did mention. Well, not just someone, a lot of people on YouTube did mention that you know, a lot of people using this camera on YouTube did mention that the screen gets scratched easily. So like, you have to be like proper careful. And it looks very sleek. It looks like something that can get scratched easily. It's for real. So, you know, then I had my backup plan. You know, I then decided to order a screen protector. So I bought six screen protectors, and so I've got them here. So I will be putting this on, and yeah, you know, just to protect the screen. So I just thought I would mention that to you guys, in case anyone is looking to buy this camera. You know, just have those 2 things that I mentioned in mind. Someone did mention that side, that screw is made of plastic, so it can wear out easily. That was what someone said. So knowing that, I know that I have to be careful. And then I also found out that the screen can get scratched easily. So I bought screen protector. So just have, you know, bear those 2 things in mind. Apart from that, you know, it's not bad. £240 is really not bad for a vlogging camera. Yeah. And I think probably one of the reasons why the screen gets scratched easily is, unlike the camera that I have now, that I'm using now, maybe because you can't rotate this screen where you can then protect it. I don't know if that makes sense. The only thing it does is just like flipping up and down, that's all. And when it flips down, then it's exposed. And I think that's another downside, to be honest. I think you should be able to, you know, maybe twist it around, where you can then, you know, once you twist it around or rotate it around, then it should be able to like hide away, if that makes sense. Like hide the screen side away, and then this side can be at the the part that you can see to avoid scratching. I think that's probably why.